In this video, I'm going to show you how to make image change on hover in Squarespace. Let's get started. After successfully logging in into your Squarespace account and being able to access the home page, the first thing that you want to do is you want to go to the top bar, and on the right hand side, be sure to click on Edit Site. Now to get started, you want to go to the top bar again, and on the left hand side, be sure to click on Edit. Now this will be the section wherein we can start adding the images. Now let's say that on this section in here, I want to add 2 image blocks. So simply click on Add Block, and then just add 2 image blocks. Now, once you have successfully added 2 images, you just want to make sure to go to its edit section and then just make the design into fill so that it won't have a border and it will be completely full. Do the same in here. Now, what you want to do is you want to make the image on top of this image. And to do that, you just want to hover this image or the other image into this image in here. And then you just want to make sure that it is the same size. So let's just adjust it to be in the same size. And then just simply hover the image here. Now, once that's done, we can now head over to custom CSS. Simply save this picture in here. Let's exit this out, and then you want to go to website, and under website, you want to go to pages. On the pages section, you just want to scroll down to the very bottom until you see custom code. Simply click on custom code and then custom CSS. Now in here, we will be asked to paste a code. The code that we have here will be in the description of this video, so simply copy the code and then paste it in here. Now, you want to make sure that you do have a Squarespace ID Finder extension within your browser so that it will automatically track or add the ID of the elements within Squarespace. Now, once you're done, you just want to go to this section in here, and then you want to enable Squarespace ID Finder. Now, I have here Squarespace ID Finder, and what I will do in here is to add a picture. So simply click on the first picture, and then you want to go to block X in here, simply highlight and then delete, and then paste the block ID in here. Now, as you can see, what you can also do is on the very lower section, just simply do the same thing on the picture, simply add the block ID. And as you can see, when we do hover, we will exactly see the picture. Now you can change the opacity. Let's make it about 0.5. And as you can see, if we do hover, it will slightly dim on hover. And that's about it. That's how to make image change on hover in Squarespace. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.